Hi everybody, it's me, Jara. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Today's video is going to be a Coach meets Portland leather goods. And what I mean by that, guys, is Coach dropped for springtime the Coach Rowan in powder pink and the hay yellow color. And for the Coach Rowan powder pink that you see here, they dropped this bag okay. The Rowan comes with the basic strap. Let me show y'all. That looks like this, okay? The strap that looks like this. But they dropped the, what was it, guys, that came with the thick strap? Was it the mini tote bag? No, what was it? I should have did my research, guys, before I started this video. It came with the thick web strap, and I wanted that strap so bad. The mini city tote. If I can, I'll put it somewhere over here. The bag in the color powder pink that came with the thicker, wider strap. So I really wanted that strap to go with this Rowan bag, guys. So I was willing to buy that strap to go with this Rowan, the regular size Rowan. But of course, it's not available that way. So one day I was on Portland Leather Good because I wanted to buy a couple of pieces from Portland Leather Good, and I came across their multi-strap. And their multi-strap from Portland Leather Good looks like this. And this is in the color vintage pink, okay? And then this is what the strap looked like. And, okay, Portland Leather Good. Here is the strap, y'all. All right. And I will link this strap in the description bar. Vintage pink, okay? And then here's Coach Rowan, regular size, right? And I think that it is an excellent match, y'all. Now, the hardware on Portland is more of a, like, what do you call that? It's more of a dull, I don't know how to describe it, brassy look, whereas Coach is more of a shinier, brassier look. And it's a good enough match for me, okay? And so you can attach it here. Let me go ahead and do that real quick. And so the Portland Leather Good strap has a little, like, D-ring right here where you can attach your keys. You can attach a charm here. And so let me give you guys another little look here. Okay, you do have Portland Leather Good stamped onto the strap right here. So you have like a leather piece here on the strap. And then here is where the webbing is right here, like the vinyl or whatever type of material this is made out of on the strap. And then you have Portland Leather Good written here, like a tag here. It is adjustable right here, your typical little adjustment. Okay. Like a little guitar strap. But I just think that Portland Leather Good, vintage pink, the multi-strap is an excellent match What do you guys think? Can you see here? So the only con to this strap to me is the price. This strap cost $58, but you might be able to find a sale. So if you go and you sign up for Portland Leather Good email, then you might be able to get like a certain percentage off of the strap and get it for a discounted price. So there's a way to save a little bit of money. So I thought that I would share with you guys how to get a bigger, thicker strap to go with your powder pink, regular size Rowan, okay? So go check out Portland Leather Good for their multi-strap in the color, again, vintage pink. While I still have you guys here, I also want to include in this video a small Portland Leather Good haul. So while I was shopping for this strap, I also picked up this bag right here. This is the classic mini crossbody tote, and it looks like this in the color cucumber. Okay. And this is what it looks like. There's no zipper. There's just a basic snap closure. And it looks like that on the inside. There is a shoulder crossbody strap. And it looks like this on the inside. There's no lining or anything, like so. So there's that. There's also an outside pocket here, okay? So there's that. And I also purchased in the same color, cucumber. This is called the penny pouch right here. It's just a little squeeze pouch like that. So this is one of their small leather goods, like that. All right, so there's that. I do have a few other small leather goods. I also want to show you guys this tassel. This is the jellyfish tassel in the color cowboy mint. And I just think that this is a fun looking tassel right here, guys. So cute. The next item is this dragonfly tassel in the color vintage pink. Okay, so cute. Y'all know I love my dragonflies. This is the same color as the strap in the vintage pink, guys. You see? So cute. And then my last two items I want to show you are in the color champagne. I really like the color champagne from Portland Leather Goods. This is the taco tassel pouch. It looks like that. Zip open. And then here is what the inside of it looks like. The taco tassel pouch. And I also have this taco keychain in the color champagne. I showed this in one of my previous What's in My Bag. It's a little smaller version of this, except for it does not have the tassel on it. I'm building up my collection of small leather goods in this champagne color because I feel like it matches a lot of different colors. And then last but not least is the ballpark pouch in the color champagne, and it looks like this. Okay, and this is what it looks like on the inside. Just your typical pouch like that. Again, this is the ballpark pouch in the color champagne. Okay. Oh, one more other item. I'm not sure if I showed this before, but this is the quesadilla wallet in the color lip gloss. Quesadilla wallet in the color lip gloss, and it looks like this. Okay. All right, that's what this looks like. 1, 2, 3 card slots, and you can put 2 cards in each slot. All right, so that is it from Portland Leather Goods. So you guys, let me know down in the comment section, what do you think about the Portland Leather Good multi-strap in the color vintage pink with the Coach powder pink? What do you think? You think that's a cool match? Let me know in the comment section. All right, guys, that is it. Thanks for staying tuned. I appreciate it. Bye.